Salams and welcome. Zakira Bhika, community care activist, has joined hands with the Laudium Cancer Group and is creating awareness about the dangers of vaping, and especially in primary schools in the Laudium Erasmus Pretoria area. Let's hear what she's got to say.
Greetings, everyone. The new schoolyard danger every parent must see. So, people, this is the latest trap targeting our children. It looks like a sweet treat, but don't be fooled. This is flavored sherbet packaged to mimic a vape. Kids are taught to inhale it exactly like the real thing. During our vaping workshop, a primary school principal handed this device to the Laudium Cancer Care team. Proof that it is already being sold to kids in the school by vendors outside the school. This is how addiction starts. Innocent looking, fun tasting, and dangerously misleading. Today it's sherbet, tomorrow vaping, and soon after something worse. We cannot stay silent. Check your kids' bag. Speak to them. Alert the schools. This is not just candy. It's a gateway, and it's spreading fast.
Thank you to the Laudium Cancer Care and to Zakira Bhika once again for highlighting this very important issue. From a medical point of view, let's look very briefly at the harmful effects of vaping. The harmful effects of vaping: significant health risks, including lung damage known as EVALI, vaping-associated lung disease, popcorn lung, inflammatory and scarring of the lung, irreversible lung damage, dyspnoea, which is shortness of breath, heart problems, increased heart rate and blood pressure. It impairs your blood vessel function, thousands of dangerous chemicals, cancer-causing agents, nicotine addiction. There's others that are adding Dagga and cannabis to it. Brain damage for teens. You cannot function in your studies. Oral health and damage. So please, please, please make sure that as a teenager, as you're growing up, please stay away from vaping. It is not for you. And school teachers and school principals, please be aware of this new epidemic. The COVID epidemic has now been replaced by the vaping epidemic. Stay well, look after yourself, stay strong, stay healthy. This can potentially lead to cancer. It is not a safe thing to indulge yourself in, nor to be addicted to. Stay well, look after yourself.